Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you back. We got a few little parts we're going to be adding to the truck. I've got a fast throttle body, and we've got MSD plug wires, and we've got some NGK spark plugs we're going to be putting in the truck. So with that being said, we're going to go straight into the unboxing of the throttle body, kind of go over a few things, my impressions of it, stuff like that. And then we'll move over to the truck and get the installation started. Alright guys, stay tuned. God, this thing is huge. Jesus. That's it right there. As you can see, I have pretty big hands, and this thing is huge. So it is the Big Mouth Fast 102. It's for the truck intake manifold. Alright guys, my overall thoughts on this is it's super nice. Looks going to look good. It's extra big. Definitely going to help with some airflow. But enough with the review. Let's get this thing put on. This is a few days later after I've installed the throttle body. I didn't get time to really do a good driving video, so I just got off work, so we're gonna do a little driving video, maybe hit the back of the building, do a few punches back there, and then we'll do some just normal driving, and I'll give my opinion and my review on the 102 throttle body from Fast. But with that being said, we're gonna jump right into it and get to the driving. All right, thanks guys. Well guys, a few things I have noticed. I have been driving this truck a few days with this throttle body. A few things I have noticed with it is definitely some throttle response. I mean, that's to be expected with a bigger throttle body. These aren't marks for me. I don't know who did that, but I wish they were for me. But anyways, back to the point. I have noticed some throttle response, and another thing that's cool about it is you do get a little bit of like a whistling sound when you're about like a quarter throttle. You'll hear a really cool like whistling sound from where the air is rushing into the throttle body. I can definitely tell just the throttle body alone helped with throttle response. It definitely gave me a little bit more horsepower for sure. I mean, I'm not saying it gave me 100 horsepower or anything like that, but it definitely helped, and it's noticeable. If I had to guess, I'd say about 10 horsepower. And I fixed my intake and got it routed to where it's getting some cooler air, where it's not breathing in all that hot air from the radiator. But so with those two things combined, I definitely can tell a huge difference. I also got the rear shocks on, so I'm not getting any bad like wheel hop. So that is another plus on that. So now like I can do launches and it's not, you know, it's not wheel hopping real bad. So that is a huge plus on that side. Buddy of mine is back here filming a video on his Corvette he just bought, so I don't really want to punch it because I don't want to screw up his audio or what he's doing. So shit, I might have to go somewhere else and do this because I don't want to fuck up his stuff. Tell what he's doing. You just now getting set up? Are you just now getting set up?
No, I just
You did some donuts?
I did one. I was gonna do another one when I.
Is this you right here?
No, shit, no. That thing, 20-inch wheels? No way.
Where'd you do the donut at?
Like right there. Just went
Oh, okay.
And then
Hell yeah.
Caught it on camera.
Hell yeah. Well, shit, while I got you here real quick, do a couple video. I'm gonna do a couple pulls and I'll do a little donut too here.
Okay.
Just video with this. You can tap on the screen, it's recording.
It's recording now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it recording.
Hold on, let me put this over here and then. You want me to move that chair?
Took some life off the tire.
Yeah.
I wonder what, is this still recording?
Yeah, I think so.
I got a little bit of a hang of it there towards the end.
Yeah, it's going crazy there.
Yeah, it whips real hard. And then when I took off right here, dude, I did like a fucking burnout. Look at my tire all the way down. She gets down. It's for what it is, man. It's a
Dude, for what you paid for that shit is nice, dude.
I mean, it'll get down, dude. It'll lay some rubber. And I even got the tires hot here and trying to, you know, help from, you know, doing just a monster burnout.
Still let them rip.
Yeah, it's still.
But the ass is so light, dude.
Yeah. I mean, dude, that's where I started, and the burnouts go all. I mean, that's probably a 100-foot burnout, dude. Hell yeah. She's not bad for what she is. She's not bad. She's not bad.